Hi guys, today I'm telling you what is ChatGPT in details explains. ChatGPT, advantages and limitations of AI language models. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model developed by OpenAI that has demonstrated remarkable capabilities in natural language processing upon tasks, including text generation, language translation, and sentiment analysis. Like all AI language models, ChatGPT has both advantages and limitations that are worth exploring. Advantages of ChatGPT: speed and efficiency. One of the primary advantages of ChatGPT is its speed and efficiency in processing large amounts of data quickly and accurately. This can be especially useful for applications such as customer service, where AI language models can quickly respond to inquiries and provide relevant information to customers. Language translation. Another major advantage of ChatGPT is its ability to translate text from one language to another. This can be useful in situations where individuals need to communicate with others who speak a different language, such as in international business or diplomacy. Improved customer service. ChatGPT can also be used to improve customer service by providing personalized recommendations based on a user's previous interactions or purchase history. Text generation. ChatGPT can also be used for text generation, such as in creating chatbots or generating automated responses for frequently asked questions. This can save time and resources for businesses and organizations by automating simple tasks. Limitations of ChatGPT. Bias. Like all AI language models, ChatGPT can be susceptible to bias, which can lead to discriminatory or inaccurate responses. This is because the model is trained on a dataset that may contain biased or incomplete information. Lack of contextual understanding. While ChatGPT is highly proficient in language processing, it may struggle with understanding context or making nuanced decisions based on social or cultural factors. Limited creativity. While ChatGPT can generate text, it may lack the creativity or originality of a human writer. This means that while it can be useful for generating simple responses, it may struggle with more complex tasks that require a more creative approach. Dependence on data. ChatGPT is only as good as the data it is trained on. This means that if the dataset is incomplete or biased, the model may struggle to provide accurate or relevant responses. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that has a lot of potential in a variety of applications. However, like all AI language models, it has its limitations and must be used carefully and thoughtfully to avoid potential biases and errors.